Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can change your Netflix profile picture. Select this icon and select manage profiles here. Then you're going to select your profile, whichever profile picture you want to change. Select the edit personal and contact info. Then there's going to be like an edit profile icon. You're just going to select the pencil button. There are a bunch of profile pictures you can choose from. There's the classics here. There's some from Gabby's Dollhouse, Sonic Prime, The Boss Baby, The Seabees, Troll Hunters, Maya and the Three, Leo, Spy Kids, My Little Pony, Over the Moon, Lost in Space, Super Monsters, True and the Rainbow Kingdom, Ask the Story Bots, Carmen Sandiego, Vivo, Transformer, Pokemon, The Christmas Chronicles, Our Planet, and The Dark Crystal. So just select whichever one you want. I'm just going to select the original one. And I'm just going to press save, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.